Okay, so I just read something that completely blew my mind about ToplingDB and how it's built on RocksDB. Did you know it's designed to be way faster?
Right? It's crazy. The improvements they've made with things like transaction lock management being 5 times faster than RocksDB is huge.
Wait, seriously? 5 times? That's wild. How do they even accomplish that? Is it just better algorithms?
Actually, that's part of it, but they also incorporate things like devirtualization and zero-copy techniques for efficiency.
Devirtualization? I'm trying to picture that. It's like decluttering a room to find things faster, right?
Exactly. It helps minimize the overhead, making data access smoother. And then there's the concurrent I/O with fiber and I/O uring.
Concurrent I/O? Oh wow, I can see how that would speed things up significantly. But how does it even work?
So, think of it like multiple workers in a factory who can work simultaneously instead of waiting for one to finish before the next starts.
That's a perfect analogy. It really highlights how efficient it can be. Plus, they have an embedded HTTP server for monitoring.
Right. That's super convenient because you can track database performance without taking it offline. It's user-friendly.
Totally. And I love that they allow online changes to configuration without restarting. That's a game changer.
For sure. It's like being able to tweak a recipe while it's cooking. You can adjust without losing the whole dish.
Ha! I'd never thought about programming like cooking, but it makes total sense. Now, what about those built-in plugins?
Oh, the built-in plugins are fascinating. They separate components to enhance performance while keeping the core lightweight.
So you can add features as you need them? That's similar to customizing your smartphone with apps.
Exactly. It lets you tailor the database to your needs without unnecessary bloat. Can you imagine the possibilities?
Wow! I'm really starting to appreciate the flexibility here. But what about the repository and permission?
Good question. They're auto-cloning public repositories, but keeping some components private for enterprise versions.
So it's like using an advanced toolkit. You can get the basics, but have to pay for the heavy-duty stuff?
Exactly. And that's important for businesses that need robust features without compromising security. It's smart.
This is making me rethink how databases can operate. But I'm curious, do they have benchmarks?
Yes. Their community version is already faster than upstream RocksDB, and the enterprise version is even better.
That gives me chills. The speed differences could really impact real-time applications. Wow!
Right? Imagine the applications in gaming or online services where every millisecond counts. It's revolutionary.
So, if this is all true, what does it mean for the future of databases? Are we just scratching the surface?
That's the exciting part. We could see a massive evolution in how databases are built, making them more adaptable.
Huh. So, could we be talking about a future where databases are more like living organisms?
Absolutely. Self-evolving systems that can optimize themselves based on usage patterns. That's mind-blowing.
This all connects back to the idea of AI in databases, doesn't it? Like learning and adapting in real time?
Exactly. The potential synergy between AI and databases could lead to intelligent systems that anticipate needs.
That's amazing to think about. AI managing our data in real time, like a personal assistant.
And with tools like ToplingDB leading the charge, we might just get there faster than we imagine.
I can't wait to see how this all unfolds. But this makes me wonder about privacy and security moving forward.
That's crucial. The integration of AI means we have to be super cautious about data governance. It's a double-edged sword.
True. So balancing innovation and security will be essential. There are just so many implications.
And it all circles back to how we design these systems in the first place. It's a fascinating discussion.
Totally. We've peeled back a lot of layers here. What's the next step for tech and databases, you think?
It'll be interesting to see if community-driven models like ToplingDB reshape the tech landscape. Exciting times ahead.
Absolutely. Let's keep an eye on developments. I have a feeling there are more surprises in store for us.
Agreed. The evolution of data management is just getting started, and I am here for all the twists and turns.
This has been such a fascinating conversation. I feel like I've learned so much already.
Same here. The layers of complexity just keep revealing themselves. It's like peeling an onion.